On our way now sa Pattaya. So dito dadaan yung train. Highly recommend that one, guys. As in, ano siya, maganda kasi yung bus niya. So ito yung bus niya. Ayan, see you Pattaya. 818/667. Ang unique, guys. Hey besties, good morning. So today marks our day 2, official day 2 here in Thailand. And yeah, we are on our way now sa Pattaya. And it's currently 7:43 a.m. So from Krungton Bori Station is pupunta tayo sa Siam Station. And then from Siam Station is mag-change line tayo or mag-change going to Kamay Station. So by the way guys, mag-ano lang kami, mag-commute going there or mag-bus. Proceed tayo sa Ikamay Bus Terminal. So okay, let's go! Hey besties, ayan, nasa Krungton Bori Station na kami. So ito yung forma niya guys. Ayan. So dito dadaan yung train. Ayan. Punta muna kami first sa Siam Station. And then, after Siam Station is mag-change. Ay, kung Siam naman din oh. Ay, kung Siam. So, near lang pala kami sa Icon Siam guys, no? So, Siam Station, then after that one is mag-change line siguro, going to Ikamay Station. Then, bababa kami sa Ikamay Station. Then, after that one, lakad lang ng konti going to Ikamay Bus Station kasi doon tayo sasakay para sa bus going to Pattaya. So, commute lang kami guys going there. I think mga 2 hours yung biyahe niya from Bangkok.
Next station, Sapan Taxi. Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
We are here na sa Siam Station and punta na kami sa Ikamay Station. I think E7 yung nakalagay doon.
สถานีต่อไปอโศกผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถไฟฟ้ามหานครสายสีน้ำเงินได้ที่สถานี
Hey besties! So ayan, we made it na sa Ikamay Station and right now, mag-exit na kami going to Ikamay Bus Station para yan yung sasakyan natin going to Pattaya. Ang lamig ng train nila guys, as in, bongga bells. So ayan, we made it to Ikamay Bus Station. So ito yung forma ng Ikamay Bus Station guys, as in, lapit lang talaga siya. So ito yung sasakyan namin guys, this one. Yan yung logo na tingnan nyo guys, so yung parang S something. Kasi ano siya, bus iyan na malaki. Hey besties, so ayan, naka-claim na kami or nakabili na kami ng ticket from Ikamay to Pattaya. So nabayaran namin is 131 baht. Okay, so let's go. So I highly suggest guys, yun yung ano, yan yung ibili nyo. Basta yung parang may S something na logo. Yan yun. I highly recommend that one guys. As in, ano siya, maganda kasi yung bus niya. And then, kasi sa iba parang medyo mahal guys. Yun. So I highly suggest na yan yung piliin ninyo. So wait na lang kami. It's currently 8:30. Mga 30 minutes pa yung hihintayin namin dito. So yan guys, yan yung parang sasakyan natin guys. Oh, yan. Nakikita nyo yung logo na yan. So yan yung hahanapin nyo once nag-purchase kayo ng ticket para ito yung sasakyan ninyo. Ayan. So parang pwede na pala makasulod guys.
Ari mo ulit na. Mo.
Kamu tigoก่อนค่ะ
Hey besties, false alarm. Hindi pa pala yun yung bus na sasakyan namin kasi ano pa kasi parang pang 8:50 siya na boarding time yung pwedeng sasakay doon. So sa amin kasi nakalagay is 9:10 yung schedule ng bus namin. So after that one is aming bus na yun. So I highly suggest guys, yun yung sasakyan nyo once you are interested or gusto nyo magpataya din. So ano, yan yung sasakyan nyo. As in guys, ang dali lang talaga, no? Akala ko before is, ano siya, parang complicated going to Pattaya. Pero ano pala siya, very accessible lang. Like, example, basta yung una nyong tatandaan is, if ever kung saan kayo galing, basta punta muna kayo dun sa Siam Station, then doon na kayo mag-change lane going to Ikamay Station, then bababa lang kayo, and then walk lang kayo ng konti going to Ikamay Bus Station, and there pwede na kayo mag-book ng ticket going to Pattaya. Actually maraming ano siya guys, maraming choices, pero yung bus na sasakyan namin is yun yung parang recommendation, tsaka mura din siya guys, as in. Then I highly recommend that one. And so far, based on our experience dito is yun yung parang maraming ano guys, maraming pila talaga, as in like most foreigners, yun din yung sinasakyan nila, and even the locals. Siguro kasi mura, no? Yun lang. So, wait muna kami dito ng mga less than 30 minutes lang. Okay, besties. So, ayan. Our bus is here. So, 9:10. Yan yung parang departure time or schedule ng bus namin. So, yan. May nakalagay lang dyan. So, yan yung parang palatandaan nyo kung bus nyo na yan. And also, meron namang bus number na nakalagay sa ticket niyo. And, of course, the seat number. Ay, 21 and 22. Hey besties, so ayan, nasa bus na kami. And meron ding ano siya guys, time or schedule ng bus. Meron ding bus number, seat number. So, ano siya, very well detailed, no? So, may ano na talaga, naka-assign na sa inyo yung seat number. So, dili na siya pa rin sa Philippines or sa Cebu guys. No, mag-inilugay. So yan, see you Pattaya. I guess mga 2 hours yung biyahe niya. Hey besties, it's currently 11:30 and we are currently here na sa North Pattaya bus station yata yun. So dito kami binaba sa driver, as in kami lahat bumaba dito. And right now, mag-check-in muna kami sa Airbnb and we are currently booking for some Bolt. I guess mga nasa 110 yung babayaran namin, 110 baht. So guys, by the way, sa Pattaya is okay din gamitin yung Bolt. So I think our driver is here. So ayan, let's go muna sa aming Airbnb. Good afternoon. We're here.
Super light.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay, besties. So, ayan, nasa Bolt na kami. Going to our Airbnb. So, ano, check-in muna kami para after that one is mag-tour na tayo sa Sanctuary of Truth. Let's go. Good thing guys is ano, pumayag yung host na mag-early check-in kami. Amazing. Hey besties, ayan, so nandito na kami sa aming Airbnb. Yung name ng ano, building is Supalay Mayor Pattaya. We're here at the elevator, so meron na kaming key card. And nasa 21st floor daw kami. Yay! Here. So na-meet namin yung host. Ano siya, parang Indiano. No? Hey besties, so yan, nandito na tayo sa ating room. 818/667. Ang unique, guys. We're here. Sure. Wow, may pa-stars. Pumuta eh. So here's our accommodation for this day. Tingnan nyo guys yung view namin. Ay, city view. So meron ding balcony. Hey besties, so finally nakapag-check-in na tayo and right now we are here in Pattaya. We will stay here overnight. So ano guys, quick room tour na tayo. Ito yung door. So right beside it is ito yung CR. Pero later na tayo dyan. So dito muna tayo sa parang kitchen nila. Ayan. So, just in case you are looking for a place to stay here in Pattaya. So, ito parang kitchen nila guys. Yan. So, merong heater. Then, you can also cook here. Then, merong microwave, sink, and then, ito yung ref. So, binigyan kami ng free water. So, merong free water dyan. And dito. So, ayan. Ito yung table and chairs. So, meron lang parang aesthetic na ano dito guys. No? Decor. Then, merong cabinet. Ayan. And, here, merong couch dito guys. Oh, wow, nice. Then, ito, meron minimalist na design. And then, here is our bed guys. Sorry, medyo, nandyan yung mga gamit ko. So, ito yung bed niya guys. And, merong side table here. And, aircon. Dito is our TV. So, meron din guys, oh. Pa-blower-ish. Cabinet also. Then, mirror. Ayan. So, merong electric fan for more ventilation. And the cabinet. Ay, napunay sa amin dali, oh. Plancha. Ano pa muna dali? Mabuli. Oh, okay. So, yan. Then, the balcony. So, nasa 21st floor pala kami, guys. So, yan. City view. Sa Pattaya. Wala, parang may cart dyan, guys. No? No, cart zone. Kainit din. Uy. Pero hindi kami pupunta dyan. Hindi namin trip. So, yun na guys. If you are looking for a place to stay here in Pattaya, I'll just put the link on the description box below, guys. In case you are interested. So, na-book namin to sa Airbnb. If plan nyo din mag-stay dito sa, sa Pattaya ng overnight or ilang days, you might as well consider this one. Maybe. Then, by the way guys, probably later in the afternoon is mag-pool. Kasi yung pool nila is nasa roof deck yata. Parang infinity pool. Sure! Okay, so yun yung plan. So, since it's still early naman, it's still 11:57 a.m. So, nag-check-in lang talaga kami guys para iiwan lang yung gamit namin. Then, right now, mag-freshen up ng konti, siguro mga 10 minutes freshen up. Then, pupunta na kami ng Sanctuary of Truth. Then, after that one is, siguro, chill or relax. Then, baka bibili muna kami sa 7-Eleven guys. So, kakain lang along the way na lang siguro. And then, pupunta ng Elephant Village. So, yan. See you later. By the way, guys, merong 7-Eleven sa baba. Very near lang din dito sa building. So, yan. Which is good. By the way, besties, meron palang dito, guys. So, side table, outlet. Ayan. And then, meron palang washing machine sila, guys, oh. Sa labas. Ayan. Nandyan. Guys, oh, merong washing machine sa labas. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung view. Ayan. Sobrang init. I believe, malapit lang to sa Jomtien Beach yata. Something like that. Ayan. So, ito yung CR nila, guys. Ayan. Merong shower. Ayan. I believe may heater din. Yes, meron. Ayan. Then, ito yung sink. Tapos, merong provided na mga body wash or something. Then, ito yung mirror. And then, here is the toilet. And may bidet din. Yes. Ayan. So, basically, that's it. Ito is lagay lang ng towel. So, ayan. That's it. Hey, besties. So, ito yung forma ng hallway na. Ayan. It's like a, ano siya, condominium talaga siya. Here in Pattaya. So, nasa 21st floor kami. Ayan. So, ito yung elevator nila. Hindi ka pala basta-basta makasulod dito. Kasi you need some key card na itap mo. So, right now guys, we are on the way na sa Sanctuary of Truth and we will book na lang boat going there. So, ito yung forma ng lobby nila guys. Ayan. Diba? Bongga bells. Ayan. So, dyan kayo mag-in. Itap nyo lang yung key card. Meron din massage place yata dito. Yeah.